In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Duolingo app on your smartphone. So for this case, we are going to use an Android smartphone, but this process should be the same on either Android or iPhone. If you're using iPhone, you have to access App Store for you to be able to download and install Duolingo language app. But for my case, I'm going to use Android smartphone, so we are going to do this through Play Store. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store here and then tap on it and then search Duolingo, and here it is, Duolingo language lessons. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see it is from Duolingo. Proceed by tapping on installing, and then it will go ahead and install it on your smartphone while you're connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here we go, the app has been installed. And now it's time to go ahead and launch it by tapping on open. So if you open it, it will take you direct to the app, and now you can begin using this app. Now if we go back, you can see under our apps, we should be able to find the app. And here it is, our app has been installed. You can also open it from here. Now we are good to go. So that's how you install Duolingo app on your Android smartphone or on your iPhone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.